Today you find me at this fabulous house in Stamford. This house style is known as the Faunthod, but before we go inside, I just want to give you a bit of the lay of the land. So we're on Boyfield Crescent, which only obviously leads into itself. If you turn left out, you go onto the Timwell Road, so you access from the Stamford Manor side. If you turn right, then you end up on the Empingham Road and you're opposite the Malcolm Sargent School. Super easy access to the A1 just over here and easy access straight back into Stamford. Can't wait to show you around. Come and have a look. We're going to start this tour in the kitchen, a lovely bright room with shutters and a really amazing space. That leads through into the separate dining room, again really versatile, could be a sitting room, lounge, they're currently using it as a dining room. We do have extra reception rooms and also a really great utility room. I'll let you have a look around this room and I'll see you in the next room shortly. So you think the kitchen's great? It gets even better. Just have a look at this dining room. So this is a massive 8-seater dining table and it doesn't dwarf the room at all. Just imagine this room with your furniture in here, mirrors, sideboards, curtains and a bit of colour. The current owners are relocating due to work and they had amazing plans for this space, but it leaves it as a lovely blank canvas for you to put your own heart and soul into this property. If you've watched any of our videos before, you know that Kimmy and I are always talking about media walls. Imagine one across here. It's screaming for a media wall. If you have a look at this quick video that's above, it's another property on Boyfield Crescent that we've just sold, where they put a beautiful media wall with built-in lights, storage and bookshelves. This is already a great sitting room, but again, as I mentioned earlier, blank canvas. Do what you want, let your mind go crazy. You can do so much to this property. So you've already seen that fabulous kitchen, the great dining room and the beautiful sitting room that leads out onto the garden. It gets better. We've got reception room number 3. Currently used as a playroom, overlooking the front of the house, but loads of our clients are looking for that amazing work from home space. This setup as a study would be absolutely fabulous. The joy of multiple reception rooms is it gives you complete flexibility. Now we're upstairs. So currently I'm in the principal bedroom, which has got an ensuite. We've got 4 double bedrooms upstairs, great family bathroom, really great sized airing cupboard. Go and have a look around. I'm going to make this snappy outside. As you can see, it's absolutely freezing and no garden shows itself off particularly well at this time of year. With this, yes, we do have properties to the rear, some tactical planting across the back. Those beautiful peach trees will completely screen any neighbouring property. So I really hope you loved that tour of this amazing property in Stamford. Just to finish off outside, we've got this driveway, tandem, maybe even 3 cars, depending on the size of cars that you've got, with your single garage at the end. The other side of the driveway is shared with next door. If you want to have a look at this property in person, please go to eastaway.co.uk, click on the property details where you can click book viewing. See you on another video soon.